Good afternoon to the madam and all my fellow friends. Today, our group will present our system, which is concept-based. The name of the system is Recycle and Rework Vending Machine. My name is Florence Dilkasi. My metric number is 271485. Our group members are Nurin Maistura, Muhammad Aimanuddin, Ong Shisen, and Nurul Asmina. Okay. During the MCO in Malaysia and around the world, we can observe that our Mother Earth recovers from pollution quite significantly. So our project is going to suggest initiatives to maintain this recovery process even after the MCO. However, the main problem that will obstruct recovery process is people lack of recycling awareness because they don't have the habits of recycling and also think that recycling does not make any changes or difference in their daily life. Okay. Secondly, lack of access or inconvenience where they live. If the infrastructure is not around them, they will not be proactive to have the behavior of recycling. Okay, next. Okay, in order to overcome the problems I stated just now, the solution is by establishing a recycle and rework vending machine. This machine can practice people for having recycle behavior because it will provide discount voucher as a reward that can be used on public transportation, for example like bus, KTM, LRT, and MRT. Use of this voucher also encouraging people to carpool in order to reduce air pollution. So the whole process will increase the environmental awareness of people. Okay. Besides that, it is located at public place like shopping mall, grocery store, bus station, and railway station. The higher accessibility to reach the machine, the higher the participation rate of people in recycling. It is important to popularize this machine in society, so we suggest that government can make cooperation with public transportation company. Okay. Next, I will pass to my friend to explain the concept specifically.
Okay, so I will start with the description of the concept. Firstly, we have the touchscreen monitor. It will display the option for user to choose their rewards. So the rewards will be 20-cent worth voucher for the public transport such as LRT, MRT, and buses. So it will encourage the Malaysian citizens to use public transport and reduce pollution at the same time. And next we have the recycle item hole. So the user will put the recycle item inside this hole and rewards will be count. And next we have the print out voucher. So the printer will print out the voucher after the user successfully put all of their recycle items. And lastly, we have the recycle item collector box. So this collector box actually will automatically put all of the item inside this box. So the responsible cleaning worker will collect and deliver it to recycling place so it can be used again. Thank you.
Next, I will talk about the analysis of the concept. People only have to insert one container and one container will get one voucher. People only can use one voucher in one ticket. Here are the ways of using the recycle and reward vending machine and the way of vendor does when the bin in vending machine was full. First, the way to use the vending machine. First, you have to check the container is empty and then you insert the container with bottom facing inwards. Then step 3, you tap on print voucher button to receive your voucher. Step 4, check the voucher that the machine prints out, and you are ready to use the voucher on public transport. Next, what vendor does when it is full? Vendor will do when at first vendor will empty the bin, and then step 2, the vendors will wipe the inside of the machine. Step 3, he will change the paper or print out the voucher if the paper is finished. And then step 4, he will check the condition of the machine. Then I will pass to my friend.
Okay, I will explain more on advantages of this machine. Okay, first and foremost, the advantage of recycle and reward vending machine is can reduce more on pollution. This is because the bottles or can are placed in the correct section and it do not throw away everywhere by the user. The existence of this machine will avoid the air and water pollution. For example, when these machines are placed in the city, the dustbin only can use to keep the wet rubbish except cans and bottles. The community or tourists should use the recycle reward vending machine for bottles and cans. By this way, we can reduce more on pollution. Next, the advantage of recycle and reward vending machine is it can train the community to practice recycling. This machine can give some awareness about recycle the bottles and cans. They also tend to keep this habit because the system will provide the coupons for public transport. They get the valuable incentive for their daily life. Okay, the after that, the advantage of recycle and reward machine is uh, it encourage the community to use public transport. By using this vending machine, the user will get the reward as a appreciation. The reward is coupon for public transport, so they can use public transport for free. The community do not have to use their own transport to go market, office, or any occasion. Usually, the community will use the same public transport to go to the same place. So it will reduce the potential of having the air pollution. The last advantage of recycle and reward machine is it can save on the cost of waste disposal expense. As we know, the waste disposal expenses is not a little amount. It needs a big amount of money. So this machine can save on that cost by using the same resources, which are aluminium and plastic. That's all from me.
Next, I will continue to the last part, which is conclusion. This report is to suggest an initiative to maintain recovery process of nature during MCO, which is a concept about new machine for recycling that will help to reduce environmental pollution. We are encouraging people out there to recycle their things that can be recycled than just throwing them away. People will realize and be more active to spread awareness by collecting recyclable items to use this vending machine. Indirectly, this recycle and reward vending machine encourage user to use public transport because the concept of this machine to recycle and get reward worth 20 cents, which is token, to use public transport such as LRT, MRT, and buses. As researcher, we hope that this concept will be adopted and the public will get benefit when using it. We recommend that this recycle and reward vending machine as an initiative to reduce environmental pollution during this movement control order or MCO. Thank you.